Jared Diamond's Guns, Germs, and Steel is a monumental work of historical analysis. Published in 1997, the book tackles a question that has perplexed thinkers for centuries. Why have some societies progressed faster than others? Diamond challenges the common belief that European dominance stems from inherent superiority. Instead, he argues that environmental and geographical factors played a crucial role in shaping the course of history. Diamond's book ignited intense debate and discussion upon its release. It won the Pulitzer Prize for General Nonfiction and became an international bestseller, translated into over 30 languages. The book's central thesis resonated with a wide audience, sparking conversations about the nature of progress, the impact of geography on civilizations, and the roots of global inequality. Guns, Germs, and Steel is more than just a historical account. It's a call to understand the complex interplay of factors that have shaped our world. Diamond encourages readers to move beyond simplistic explanations and to consider the deep historical forces that have led to the disparities we see today. Diamond argues that geography, not biology, holds the key to understanding why some societies thrived while others lagged. He points to the unique advantages enjoyed by societies situated in regions like the Fertile Crescent. This area, stretching across parts of modern-day Iraq, Syria, and Turkey, possessed an abundance of domesticable plants and animals. This allowed for the early development of agriculture, which in turn led to sedentary lifestyles, population growth, and the emergence of complex societies. In contrast, regions with less favorable environmental conditions faced significant challenges. Societies in these areas often struggled to produce surplus food, limiting their ability to develop advanced technologies, political structures, and institutions. Diamond argues that these early geographical advantages created a ripple effect throughout history, ultimately shaping the global distribution of power and wealth. The transition from hunter-gatherer societies to settled agriculture was a pivotal moment in human history. Diamond argues that the development of agriculture was not simply a matter of human ingenuity. It was heavily influenced by the availability of suitable plant and animal species, which varied greatly across different regions. The rise of agriculture led to a cascade of societal changes. Surplus food production allowed for specialization of labor, with some individuals freed from the need to constantly hunt or gather. This led to the development of new technologies, crafts, and forms of social organization. As agricultural societies grew in size and complexity, they developed political hierarchies, writing systems, and organized religions. Jared Diamond argues that the advantages enjoyed by Eurasian societies, stemming from their early adoption of agriculture and the development of guns, germs, and steel, played a crucial role in their dominance over other parts of the world. The European conquest of the Americas, for instance, was facilitated by a combination of military technology, guns and steel, disease, germs, and political organization. Diamond's analysis of the collision between European colonizers and indigenous populations highlights the devastating impact of infectious diseases. Eurasian societies, due to their long history of interaction with domesticated animals, had developed a degree of immunity to diseases like smallpox and measles. These diseases proved catastrophic for indigenous populations in the Americas who lacked such immunity. Guns, Germs, and Steel concludes by urging readers to consider the deep historical roots of global inequality. Jared Diamond argues that the disparities we see today are not the result of inherent differences between people from different parts of the world, but rather the product of a long and complex interplay of geographical, environmental, and historical factors. The book's message has profound implications for how we approach issues like poverty, development, and international relations. It challenges us to move beyond simplistic explanations and to consider the historical forces that have shaped the world we live in today. By understanding the roots of global inequality, Diamond argues, we can begin to address these disparities in a more meaningful and effective way. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.